What's up, y'all people? I am back with another awesome Mafia City video, and guys, today we are going to talk about using Oscar as your main renegade. What I mean by main renegade is that using Oscar in first slot and using land going on second slot. I was getting this question for a long time from a lot of players that why we should try to use Oscar as our first slot renegade and see what kind of result we are going to get. And I was waiting for realistic event to come so that I can make this video. There I can try a lot of things with Oscar. So finally guys, I try a lot of stuff with Oscar. So we are going to discuss about is it worth it to use Oscar as your first renegade or not. But before we move any further in this video, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe to it, turn on bell icon notification, and like this video for more awesome, fun, informative Mafia City videos. 1 week guys, 7 days are left for giveaway announcement. So if you want to participate, make sure to have that bell icon notification turned on. Now guys, I tried a lot of things with Oscar. I tried a lot of formation with Oscar, but guys, 99% of the time I'm not getting the same result as Land Queen. And maybe there is a reason why I'm not getting is because my Land Queen is more stronger than Oscar. But I am sure guys, I don't think this is the reason why I'm getting not good result from Oscar. If we are going to take a look at Land Queen and Oscar, there is a big difference between Land Queen and Oscar. Both are going to use vehicles, but the difference is that guys, Land Queen is going to utilize T10 vehicles that are like attack type vehicles, as you can see in their stats. But if we are going to take a look at Oscar, what vehicle Oscar is going to use, Oscar is going to specialize in using carriers. That is going to give you a defense bonus if you have a lot of carriers in your turf. If somebody is going to attack this, as you can see, the attack stats of carriers are very low, but the defense and health stats of carrier are very good. So with this guys, I think it's automatically going to make a defense type renegade. I know guys, there is more better vehicles for Oscar like T11, but guys, a lot of us are not going to have a lot of T11 vehicles for using Oscar. So I am automatically going to get the most basic thing what all people are going to use. So that will be T9 vehicles with couple of T6 vehicles. So that's what a lot of people are going to use as Oscar formation. Right now we are not going to discuss about formation guys, because if I'm going to get success at using Oscar is going to get a lot of kills, then probably I'm going to make a formation video on Oscar. But right now guys, it's not worth it because I'm not getting quite good result from Oscar. So where we were, this kind of vehicles guys automatically make Oscar a defensive renegade just because the kind of vehicle he's going to use. Maybe this is the reason why Mafia City put Oscar as the season 2 renegades, to defend ourselves against Land Queen. Because guys, I think if you have a strong Oscar, it's going to help you a lot defending against Land Queen. So this is what I think, and I think this is what Mafia City is trying to push right now. In terms of popularity guys, I'm going to say Land Queen is the most popular renegade right now in Mafia City. I know there is a lot better renegade than Land Queen, a lot stronger than Land Queen, all of this golden kind of renegade. But guys, we are going to talk about simplicity and effectiveness. Land Queen is going to come first. I still think not a lot of people have figured out a lot of golden renegades. So that's why I think Land Queen is going to be the best renegade right now in the game. Oscar is going to be the second best renegade right now in the game, just because that he's going to give you a defensive bonus. That's really what I think. Right now guys, I'm still really not sure a lot about Oscar because my Oscar is not as strong as Land Queen. And maybe if I'm going to make my Oscar 5-star with this last skill, maybe Oscar is going to work differently. So guys, right now I have 3-star Oscar, and as you can see, the third skill I'm trying to improve right now. With this I'm not getting a lot of good result. My Land Queen is also 3-star. I did not play season 1 properly yet also. This is the reason why I have Land Queen as 3-star, but she is still quite effective, and all of my points are on technique right now, as you can see on your screen. Maybe if I'm going to get Oscar at 5-star, that Z boost skill is going to change the thing. But right now guys, with 3-star, I still think Oscar is not worth as using as your first slot renegade. I think he's quite good as using at the second slot, but first slot is still not worth this. Land Queen is going to be still the queen of renegades right now as terms of using as main renegade. And this is comes from me. I tried a lot of different things with Oscar, but I am still not sure about him because he's still pretty new. If you have something new about Oscar, let me know in the comment section below. If you are successful while using him, you are getting a lot of kills, let me know in the comment section below. We are all trying to learn right now. In terms of realistic event guys, I didn't see any Oscar player at all right now. Most of them are using Land Queen as their first renegade. So what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section below. If you have something new, let us know guys. Subscribe to this channel for more awesome, fun, informative Mafia City video. That's it for me now. Take care, stay safe, and peace.